Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you ever feel like you're not doing enough? Like you should be further ahead in life, whether it's your career, your fitness, your relationship? Well, today I'm gonna tell you how to force yourself to achieve anything. I remember being in college and just like you, I would have these goals, right? I wanted to be in shape. I wanted to get good grades, but then life would happen and those goals would fall to the wayside and I wouldn't accomplish anything. So I started looking into it. I wanted to know why successful people are able to accomplish so much more than the average person, and I came across something called objective setting theory. Objective setting theory states that the first step to accomplishing a goal is to write it down. This creates an objective, a tangible thing that you can look at and say, hey, this is what I want to accomplish. The second part is where most people mess up. They don't create a plan to reach that objective. You see, when you write down a goal, it becomes a command. Your subconscious mind starts telling you, hey, you need to do this thing, but it doesn't know how to get there. So it'll start hijacking your attention, and you'll find yourself daydreaming about the thing you want instead of actually working on it. That's why we're gonna fix that. So the next time you set a goal for yourself, do this. Write the goal down, then write down the steps that you need to take to reach that goal. For example, if your goal is to get in shape, write down the steps that you need to take to reach that goal, exercise 3 times a week, eat healthy, etc. By writing down the steps that you need to take to reach your goal, you create a plan, which gives your subconscious mind a blueprint to work with. Instead of just daydreaming about the end result, your mind will be focused on the steps that you need to take to reach your goal. I've been using this technique for years, and it has helped me accomplish so much more than I ever thought possible. I've been able to build a successful business, get in shape, and improve my relationships by simply writing down my goals and the steps that I need to take to reach them. So I challenge you to do the same. Write down your goals and then create a plan to reach those goals. And if you need help staying accountable, well, subscribe to the channel because every Monday I post videos to help you become the best version of yourself. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.